Identify if the following statements are correct or wrong and rewrite the wrong sentences in their correct form. In a parliamentary democracy, representatives elected by people and ministers bear the administrative responsibility. Correct. Union Public Service Commission UPSC recruits candidates for civil services in Maharashtra. Incorrect. Correct statement. Maharashtra Public Service Commission recruits candidates for civil services in Maharashtra. Explain the following statements with reasons. Reservation policies followed even in civil services. In order to provide opportunities to all sections of society to enter in bureaucracy and civil services, there is a provision for reservation for the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, women, other backward castes, and specially abled. This provision ensures that weaker sections of the society are not left out of civil services due to social inequality. Therefore, reservation policy is followed even in civil services. It is necessary for civil servants to be politically neutral. In parliamentary democracy in India, a new government comes in power after every 5 years, but the bureaucracy is permanent, that is, it remains the same. The bureaucracy is expected to implement the policies and decisions of the earlier government with the same efficiency and commitment. Civil servants are expected to avoid taking a political stand and remain neutral while discharging their duties. If civil servants work according to their political views, it will lead to chaos. Hence, they should be politically neutral. Answer the following 25 to 30 words. Explain the role of the ministers and civil servants in the efficient administration of the department. The efficiency of a particular government department depends upon the interrelationship between the minister and department secretaries and deputy secretaries. The decisions relating to the department are made by concerned minister, but necessary information to make such decisions is given by the civil servants. Civil servants, meaning bureaucracy, has complete control over information. It is the civil servant who knows the financial provisions for a particular scheme or plan. Civil servants are aware of the history of successes and failures of policies. Hence, ministers are dependent upon the civil servants. If ministers maintain a dialogue with civil servants and develop mutual trust and transparency, it will help the departments. Explain how the bureaucracy provides stability to the political system. The bureaucracy does the work of implementing decisions taken by the ministers. Several important reforms introduced during the post-independence period have been effectively implemented by the bureaucracy. It consistently provides services like water supply, public cleanliness, transport, electricity, etc. to the people and brings stability to their day-to-day lives. It acts as an instrument of social transformation and democratization. In this way, it gives stability to the political system. Complete the concept picture. Types of civil services. Types of civil services: All India Services, Indian Administrative Service (IAS), Indian Police Service (IPS), Indian Forest Service (IFS), Union or Central Services, Indian Foreign Service (IFS), Indian Revenue Service (IRS), State Civil Services, Block Development Officer, Tehsildar. Discuss characteristics of bureaucracy. Bureaucracy is the administrative system which actually implements the government's policies. Though the government changes, bureaucracy remains constant. Thus, it is permanent in nature. It has to remain politically neutral and discharge its duties. Its anonymity is maintained, that is, it is not held directly responsible for any success or failure of policies, and it is never publicly criticized. Thus, the structure of bureaucracy in India is extensive and complex.